media platform, how to create the profile on different social media platforms, correct? And how to grow the subscribers or user base. Just we have understood how do we grow the likes, subscribers, followers, or user base, but we haven't started with any activity. Okay, and in today's class we will get started with some activities like developing the content or creating the post needed for the social media on post that we will look into the performance of the post. We'll explore all the options in case if we haven't gone through it yet. In case if we have not gone through the options of the platforms, different platforms, we will explore all of those options as well today. Okay, so are we all good to start?
Yes.
Okay, so any post that you plan that you plan for the social media can comprise post content. Third one is creative content. Sorry, second one is creative content, and third one is hashtags. Hashtags. What else? Fourth one, optional. Optional, the promotional, or maybe I'll instead of promotional, yeah, I can write promotional. Content or contact or source or reference details. Any post that you do comprises all of these parts. Okay. So post content. So what is this post content? Any text that goes above your image or video, that will be the post content. The content that is providing the descriptive explanation about the content or topic published in the form of image or video. Okay, so it's going to be only post content when you don't have any image or a video. Creative content, the core content or key information in the form of image or video. Hashtag are the key terms or phrases that are relevant related to the topic you are publishing on the social media pages. Is this clear, guys, everybody? So most of you might already know about these things, I believe, but regardless of that, anyways, we have discussed, and you all understood, right? What the post content. This is the URLs or the destination pages, and all these are hashtags. Any social media post, any content that you publish on social media comprises all of these sections. Okay, give me 1 second, everyone. Hello, hello, guys. Call me back after 1 hour. After 1 hour. Okay. So I'll take the screenshot of the same. Post content. Post content. What is the number? 3, 4, right? Promotional is 4. Okay. Is that clear, everybody, guys? Okay. So your post content can be very lengthy, up to there is a limit. It can be very lengthy also. Okay, here coming to the hashtag, suggested to have only completely relevant tags. Okay, do not have too many hashtags which might impact negatively. Okay, the post reach also will drop with too many negative tags. Okay, so I missed out on one more thing, tagging. Tagging. Okay, so you can tag the people or business profiles in the post. Yeah, are you all aware of this tagging? You all must be aware, I guess, below, because everybody are using social media platforms, Facebook, everything from very long time. Correct? Anybody has questions here?
No, sir.
So you are all aware of tagging, right? So in the post, at the you can type it and you can tag your friends in the post. You can tag business pages in the post. You can tag anything. Okay. Then, okay. So now, how do we plan? What are the guidelines for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? How do we come up with the best information? Okay. See, of all this, number two is super important. Number two is super important. This speaks volumes. This is going to make a major difference. Okay. So now, should we do some exercise in creating certain kinds of content, or shall we proceed with the metrics, reading, learning? How what is the outcome of all this posts? So content development,
Create.
yeah.
Yeah, we should create some content too.
Okay, okay, we'll do that. So we'll take example of okay. So their final year of college and struggling with the score, grades, backlogs, etc. So now, based on the domain. So maybe in case if I have to publish some information for Canva Digital, so I can pick a topic. See, my target audience are college graduates, the college passed outs, recent passed outs. The target audience will be the professionals working in various other domains, such as sales, HR, or can be any other domain. People are not satisfied with the work or work type over there, and they want to make a shift in their careers. Okay, so now maybe I can take that topic. Let's plan some content for Contra Digital only. Okay, so what I'll be doing now, so when my topic is about when I have to publish some content for Contra Digital. Okay, so my topic will be best career options. Maybe I can pick best career options for one of the topic for sales and HR professionals. Number one. Okay. So number two, best career options for housewives, or maybe I can pick best freelance career options for everyone. Okay, so I can pick one of these topics and I can speak about it. Okay, so maybe so you know what is needed for what is needed now. So topics, we have finalized the topics. We have finalized the topics. So topics, the above finalized topics have to be produced in the form of creatives or videos or presentation. Okay, any representation of this information. Okay, and so what is needed now? It needs a thorough research and understanding about or maybe best freelance career options. Okay, write it as one needs a very thorough understanding about these topics to speak or produce any form of content around it. Okay, so what all you should be doing if you have to produce content around this topic? What will you do? Tell me. So you have to come up with best freelance career options for everyone. So what you should be doing now if you have to come up with this? You have to produce a video. You have to produce a video about the topic best freelance career options for everyone. What are you going to do if you have to produce a video? Yeah, anybody?
Should content, the whoever is acting, that person should act naturally. It's not like,
No, no, no. So first thing, so okay, we'll get into that. So first thing, the
yes.
person should be knowledgeable about it. The person has to
Okay.
all the necessary acquire all the necessary knowledge related to it. Okay. So you may not know anything about it. You are just an actor. Let's assume you are just an artist. Just an artist. You are going to produce an amazing content. You are a content creator. Content creator can be an artist, a content writer, a graphic designer. Anybody can be an artist. So sorry, content creators. Person making his presence physically is an artist. A person using a tool to produce the images will be a graphic designer or just a content creator, right? People can put it in the form of presentation. They use the text. Okay, so now for all of these people, whatsoever the presentation is, they have to be thorough with that information. They have to understand all of that necessary details or information around it, and for that the most essential part is research. So literally you cannot know everything on some interesting topic about best career options for everyone. You may have to do a thorough research. You have to explore the internet. You have to understand everything around it. Correct? That's when an artist can produce a very good informative video around it. Correct? Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we are going to do that video as well. Okay. By end of this class, I'm going to do that video as well. Okay. But what is needed? Let's assume we have done a video now. Okay. So we have done a video now. What else is needed after the video? Video. Acquire the knowledge about the topic and produce the content for the same. Okay. See, for me, I don't have to acquire any knowledge if I have to speak about these three topics. I'll be able to speak easily because I know already what has to be done. Okay. Maybe if we have to speak etiquettes at office, at the work environment, I may not be able to speak everything as compared to that of an HR professional. If there are any HRs here, they'll be able to speak easily. They don't have to do any kind of research. They possess that knowledge already, right? So same way, I'll be able to speak about all of these things. In either cases, in case if you don't possess that knowledge, so you will have to do a thorough research. That's the third point about. Okay. So what is next? Let's assume we have produced a video. Okay, or maybe the do's and don'ts we will discuss in producing the video. What else? The post, maybe hashtags. We will research the hashtags. Okay, hashtag researching. So, so you see here, when you type best career choices, best careers, best career advice, best career courses, so you see so many variations here, correct? Do you all see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So now the one in the top will be mostly the popular one. Okay. So you can or popularly used terms. So remember that we have to produce the this content as well that we have put in the above step. One of these topics we are going to produce it today. So I actively not working. I'm not working on social media at recent times. So that's why I kind of missed out on some of this. I'm able to recall now when I'm typing them here. Okay. So anyways, I'll explain it to you. No worries. Okay. So identify the hashtags. Use the search options or the hashtag research options on the respective social media platforms to figure out which is the most used hashtag and the most typed or searched terms on the respective platforms. Okay, so this is Facebook. See, on Google also you must have sometimes seen, right, trending. How many of you have observed on Google the trending things? observed it?
No, sir.
On Twitter, all these are trending now. Okay, so you see here trending searches. So this also indicates, one second, I'll take the screenshot. This also indicate people must be speaking a lot about these topics, not only on the Google, but also on social media platforms. But also on social media platforms. Okay, so this data also helps us to understand what kind of hashtags have to be used in case if you are speaking about such topics, or if you have to decide about what topics you have to speak on social media platforms. You don't know what you should be speaking. See, currently MP elections are a hot topic everywhere, correct? So you just go and speak about MP elections and you will get very good traction. You will get very good traction if you are speaking about the MP elections.
Why is that, sir?
Yes.
Answer that now
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Elon Musk wants
I
to take a
know, I know.
control over it, and he
Yeah, yeah,
wanted
he has
to.
taken. It's been here already.
Yeah, no. Main thing is like he just wanted whoever is going to post, he want to charge for them as well as to reply on the this one feedbacks. Also, he
Oh,
wants to
okay.
charge. Right.
Okay, not aware of it. So I'm very inactive on all the social media platforms, being a digital marketer. Show what is trending, what's happening. See here, this section, what's happening. See Karnataka, right? Samantha Rutu Prabhu, 1700 posts, and about this trending with LS goals with time and 101k post Dhruv Rathe. No vote to BJP. It's trending. Hello. Yes. Hello. Which post? Sorry. Let me call. Okay, so Twitter. So on mobile, so if you type the term, it should be available here as well. Search, search for best career, right? On mobile phones, next to the, can one of you quickly, you get to see the number, get to see the number about the number of number of people using the hashtag. Okay. So this way you can understand which is the most popular hashtag, and you can accordingly see based on your topic, not something irrelevant. There are two things tag, and the second thing is just we are trying to understand which all topics are trending or which all hashtags are trending, so that we can also start speaking about the same. We can also start speaking about the same. Correct. So now I might start speaking something like this now. So I know Karnataka elections, or maybe what is trending here, Karnataka elections only. Okay. So okay, now something else came to the top. This is okay. Sports is trending now. Go Pakistan. Okay. Okay, if you I don't have anything right now, I'll just delete it. Okay. So coming back. Okay. So researching on this. Showing the number of posts about it, but not the followers. I don't know. The data was back to 2019. What we have put over there. You see the number that I was speaking about. So this also
Yes, sir.
indicates what is becoming the hot topic for the day or for the month or for the period, whatever the platform is counting, right? Agile Cosmetics project. So digital marketing, you will see millions. So 3.6 crores, 36 million posts, 36 million posts about digital marketing. Now, when you speak about digital marketing, will your post will really get a traction? That's another problem. So if you are one of them who are speaking about, so when there are too many posts about digital marketing, every second there will be 1,000 posts, and your post will not get the traction really, until unless you are producing incredible content. So you have to pick in something that's very popular but not posted quite often. Let's spoken less about it. So there is a page with hash digital marketing. Okay, anyways, options we'll look into it later about all the options. Yeah, hashtag thing is done.
done. And is there any portal or something will be available for
No, no,
download the
you
Instagram?
cannot download, but there are tools like Butsumo and couple of others which will help you to research on the social media part.
So how?
From that analytics, we get to see various kinds of data. Okay, so I'll walk you through all of that data.
Okay.
Okay, so you will get the
Okay.
downloads as well. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so now promotional content, coming to the promotional content, it's all about you dropping your website link or your WhatsApp number or any other number is the promotional part.
Oh,
Hashtags identifying, you all understood. Yeah, now this one above the post content, not this one. Yeah, the post content, first one. Okay, so post content. Uh, Maybe we'll do that after producing the video, because it should be explaining the video. We haven't done the the video, but and in case if we have to assume that the video is already done, which topic have we picked? Best career best career options for freelancing, right? Something like that. What is the third topic? Starting your post. See, now people have to plan the creative content, or not post video content. Okay, so maybe let's say video planning video planning. Let's say some people don't know how to start and how to end. Okay, so they may write everything here before they produce the video. Maybe let's say, so who everybody in the current era is willing to become a freelancer, or maybe everybody enjoys being a freelancer, get to know all the hacks to making a high earning freelance profile. Okay, so this is our post content. So we can pick some of these hashtags. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So now here, content plays a crucial part. Not all of this. These are all like musting. See now you, it's something like this. Now it's of no use, right? So now video content is a super important thing. That's why content is king is the slogan commonly used everywhere. Content is king. That can bring a lot of different sales, subscribers, followers, and it can be powerful, very impactful, right? So the best content you produce is going to be super impactful. If you're not producing the best content, it's of no use at all, and it cannot have any kind of impact on your marketing goals. Okay. So usually I'll give you some suggestions. If you have to plan for the video content, you have to first notice, and this can be intro about the problems people are facing in their regular career, and what could be the how easy or difficult it is. Okay, it's not keyword here.
Oh,
Here it is.
the poster will go you are the owner of the company, you will use the hashtag.
Most used.
Which keyword they are?
Yeah, it works this way. See, people on social media platform will speak something that's highly in demand. Okay, so for example, COVID content creators. I'll not call them as marketers. All these content creators understands what is the current interest in the market, and they will speak about such type of topics and put such type of hashtags that indicates that is currently trending. That is the interesting thing for public now, and you can go with. But my suggestion is, regardless of all that, the main thing that you have to focus is, see, you can actually ignore about all of these hashtags, everything and all. Who are your target audience? What is their pain point? And start speaking about all the topics. The exercise that we did in this week, few days ago, like we were writing, right? College students in the age group of 20 to 25 or 25 to 30, something like that. Their common pain points. They are not finding the job, right? They go through so many insults from the family and relatives for not getting job. Everybody in that batch will be getting job. They will, or now the discrimination that's happening everywhere, right? Or they are not getting the government job purely because of this caste system in the country. See, if you can do one amazing video because of this caste system, eligible people are not getting the jobs and useless people are getting the jobs, that video will go viral. Try producing more such videos. Eligible people are not getting the jobs, government jobs. See, for few categories in the country, the age criteria is only 30, and for few others it is 35 or 40. And now this 35% age group person is killing the opportunity of 27 years old guy who is amazing, four times better than that guy in terms of score, in terms of intelligence, in terms of IQs, everything. His opportunity is gone. So your focus has to be in producing amazing content what will be liked by people. And now this content is getting associated with some hashtags, that's all. So if now this content goes viral, the hashtags related to that content will be shown as most popular hashtags. Okay. So you have to be always focusing. See, hashtags and all. We ideally speaking, you don't get into any of those things. The only thing we all have to understand is, you might shed the tears. You might cry. Correct. Your eyes will be filled with water. Why will that happen? Or you will get engaged with the movie, or you will say the movie is very nice. When will you do that? All of you. When will you see the movie is nice? When you can really connect with it. They are not searching for any hashtags or nothing. They are just coming up
Yes.
with the best content what can grab the attention of the target audience.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Everybody? So are we having the class
Yes, sir.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow? Can we or no? We'll create a poll.
Yes, sir.
We'll see the voting. We'll also create the poll about the time, which time of the day works for everyone. Okay. So if it's working for
Okay.
everybody, then we'll have it. If not, we will not have it. That's all. Yeah.